Hi everybody, this video is about me buying my first big piece of furniture all by myself. So I have bought few things in the past in terms of thoda mehengi cheeze, but this furniture ka piece, it just makes it so real, it's so gharelu in nature. It's furniture. This video is going to be about how I bought myself my first piece of furniture. Let's start from the beginning. Thanks to Pinterest, I saved a bunch of my inspo for my dressers. In this video, you'll see me often forgetting what this thing is called, the dresser. But yeah, once I selected what my inspiration was, मैंने दो जगह देखा. मैंने देखा ऑनलाइन बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है सब कुछ. आई थॉट कि मैं बनवा लूँगी स्क्रैच से फ्रॉम अ पर्सन. गुड़गांव में ऐसे बहुत फर्नीचर वाले होते हैं. तो आई वेंट टू दैट पर्सन और मैंने उसको बोला कि मेरे को ऐसा चाहिए. उसने बोला था उसको ऑलमोस्ट एक हफ्ता 10 दिन टाइप का ज़रूरत होगा टाइम का, एंड उसके बाद वी कैन गेट इट शिप्ड. आई वाज लाइक परफेक्ट. आई डिड नॉट टेक बहुत सारी फुटेज ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स बिकॉज I forgot and I got busy and a lot of stuff happened, which is I'm here to tell you what happened. I went to see it and then I wanted to get uska polish a little darker. So here is how it went. और इनको एक बार खोलना. हाँ, ये नहीं चाहिए. जैसे ये एक दूसरे में भी टकरा रहा है ना.
कौन सा? नहीं वो टकराएगा नहीं. मतलब गीले पे मैंने डाल दिया था ना इनको. टकराएगा नहीं, मैंने गलत.
अच्छा,
आ रहा हूँ. अब आप कलर देख लीजिए. इसे थोड़ा हल्का डार्क चाहिए या
ये ठीक है. ये सही है. Walking back home, I was at work. अब इसके बाद I'm going home. So sorry for the dark footage, but what I'm talking about is more important. But honestly, the audio quality is also kind of bad. Sorry. It's 8:40 p.m. I'm gonna try my luck at the hardware store so that I can find door knobs or handles that I can put on my whatever you call it, closet, almari situation, chest of drawers, I don't know. So I'm gonna try to do that. So I went to the hardware store, which was closed this time tak. I think it was around 9. I came back from work and it was closed by then. So I thought I'll try tomorrow, but instead I gave the job to my brother and he did a pretty good job. He selected some things from the hardware store and then they installed it, and then the carpenter भैया sent me a picture. I was like, looks good, आप कब तक भिजवा सकते हो? He's like, आप बताओ, final polish होगी and then आ जाएगा. And this is from today. My thing is ready. My I keep forgetting what it's called. The closet? No, it's not a closet. It's a dresser. It's a dresser. My dresser is ready, and it's gonna come today. One of my neighbors, he had posted query for a second-hand Almira, and I was like, I have an Almira, and he came out and he saw it, and he's gonna collect it next week. He's given me the advance and all, so don't be like, "Arey yaar, तेरे को cheating कर देगा." No, it's all good. Very excited, super happy to make these big changes all by myself, all by my own money. It's adulting, dude. Fucking feels like adulting, dude. You know. I like it. I just got off a call with भैया जो drop कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे the fucking, what do you call it, dresser, closet, fuck, dresser, yeah. I'm very excited, but the room is gonna be so cramped. I got the person, so the person he came ये देखने, and he liked it. He paid me in advance and everything. And we're gonna start with other things, like painting and stuff in my room. Is he here already? No. ये अंदर ही रख दीजिए. है ना?
काफी सही लग रहा है. कितना like वो fresh polish है ना.
क्या?
तूने खोल के देखी थोड़ा सा?
अभी नहीं. पर मैंने उससे पूछा था कि अगर कुछ.
हाँ, एक बार इन्हें थोड़ा सा खोल कर के वो कर ले ताकि.
हाँ, वो यही बोल रहा था.
खोल ले ताकि polish की smell room से निकल जाए. But it's quite nice.
है ना? और लंबी भी है ना?
हाँ. I think इसके ऊपर you can put some nice things. Not.
मैं यहाँ सोच रही हूँ, और यहाँ पे एक शीशा, और यहाँ पे कुछ और.
तो you're selling this कपड़ा ना? हाँ. और फिर यहाँ पे shelves भी लगेगी wall पे या नहीं?
Yeah. I like how in the video, as the video progresses, my hair gets more dry and things start keep happening. But this is here. I really like it. It's very spacious. I'm gonna air them out because they tend to get through so stuck if the carpenters do iska polish and then they just, you know, let it dry and let it relax. But congratulations to me, honestly, buying a big piece of furniture for my own self with my own money. It feels good. Yeah, on to better things. Bye.